Well, Audi RS5, and Richard has invested in a beautiful Scorpion exhaust system. He's currently about to fit that, but he has got halfway through taking the old stuff off and decided that it is the law that he must start his V8 Audi RS5 with no exhaust on it. Is that the law?
I think so.
He thinks so. So we're going to have a little a little taster of a terrorising Audi RS5. So let's have a listen. That sounds quite good. All right. That actually didn't sound that bad, you know.
Actually, I thought it'd be worse than that.
That sounded nice, mate.
Yeah.
Bit of a shame to put this expensive Scorpion exhaust on it now.
Yeah, I was going to put 2 straight pipes on.
Yeah, do it. It does look lovely. Really well made, this. Well done, Scorpion.
Let's be getting his money out for that. But that sounds expensive.
Has he started it yet?
It's not electric, is it? Ask him. Do it.
You?
No. No, sir. Tell him I'm waiting for him to start it. Keith does know better, don't he? Oh, sounds just like a V6, don't it?
It's drifting.
No, he is. He wants it louder.
Nowhere near like it was before. Did you flip?
Did a 2-cylinder delete on that?
2 cylinders?
Sounds just like a V6 now. Nah, it sounds nice, mate, but not loud enough for you.
No.
Not loud enough for our Alice.
We'll give it a blip. Oh, I ain't really.
Go on, Keith, give it a blip.
It's got a nice sound.
Start it first, though, yeah? It does sound.
It's not loud enough.
It's not loud enough for our Richard. So review then.
Not loud enough.
Not loud enough.
But if you'd have ordered, say, the Miltech system with no box in it, you'd have been like, oh, it's too loud.
Yeah.
You know, so it's like you can't win, can you? And because you look at as many videos as you want on YouTube, but it doesn't give you an actual hearing for it, does it?
Okay, so as Richard said, it wasn't quite loud enough. He's now made a modification. Where are you at, Richard, and where's the bit you've changed?
Oh, well, I'm not hiding from you.
I think it was around here. You can't even tell with them beautiful welds, Rich.
Yeah, we've taken 2 silencers out here, or what they would call resonators out of there, and then obviously it had another one here, so I've took them out. I've took that one out there as well. It should have an exhaust hanger here, which is a bit annoying because when someone did the resonator delete on the original exhaust, it looked like they removed the hanger.
That's really handy.
Yeah, which is annoying because obviously that would have helped hold that up and line that up. So I'm gonna have to order that from TPS tomorrow, which will obviously like, ooh.
I hope you've earned some money this bank holiday weekend if you're ordering anything from TPS.
Yeah, so I've got to do that. But yeah, apart from that, it's all lovely. I'm happy with it.
Shall we have a listen?
I ain't heard it yet. We'll see what it sounds like.
Oh, V8. sounds more like a canal boat now. Is that better, Richard?
Yeah. Yeah, much better. Sounds like a V8 now.
How are you revving it without being in it?
Got a long foot.
Hi, Jason. Well, there we go. Another one in the bag. Dug, 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 dug. Just sounds like a canal boat to me, mate. Look at his little face, he's so happy. Well done.
Sometimes you just have to put some stuff up for yourself.
You do, just cut some shit up.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done, mate.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.